In this video, we will explain how to measure the density of a regular and irregular shaped object. Firstly, we will be finding the density of a regular shaped object, which in this case is a new eraser. So what we need is a regular shaped object, the new eraser, an electronic balance, and a vernier caliper. We must first find out its volume. First, measure the length of the eraser. Before doing that, check for the zero error. If there is a zero error, subtract it from the final reading to get the corrected reading. Since there is none, we can proceed to the next step. Close the jaws of the vernier caliper onto the new eraser. Find and record the millimeter mark on the fixed scale that is just to the left of the zero mark on the vernier scale. Look along the 10 marks on the vernier scale and the millimeter marks on the adjacent fixed scale until you find the two that most nearly line up. Record these found digits. To get the correct reading, simply add these found digits to your previous reading. Record two more readings and take the average of the three readings. Next, we will measure the breadth of the eraser. It involves the same step as measuring the length of the eraser. Remember to take the average of three readings. After that, we can measure the width of the eraser. It also involves the same step as measuring the length and the breadth of the eraser. Remember to take three readings and record down the average. Next, we will find out the mass of the object using the electronic balance. First, switch on the electronic balance and press the V0 button to recalibrate it. Measure the mass of the eraser and repeat the results. After doing so, we can calculate the object's density. Divide the mass of the eraser over its volume to find out its density. The results are tabulated over here. Now we will be finding out the density of an irregular shaped object, which is a used eraser. You will need an irregular shaped object, an electronic balance, and a measuring cylinder. First, add water into the measuring cylinder. Next, carefully read the meniscus and record the volume to the nearest milliliter, which is 60 milliliters in this case. After that, place one object into the measuring cylinder and record the total volume. Subtract the final volume, which is in this case 68 milliliters, from the initial volume, and you have the volume of the used eraser, which is 8 cm3. Record these readings for another 2 times and take the average of the 3 readings. Next, we will find out the mass of the used eraser. First, switch on the electronic balance and press the V0 button to recalibrate it. Then, measure the mass of the eraser and repeat this 3 times. Take the average of the 3 readings. Finally, we can calculate the density of the used eraser. Divide the mass of the eraser over its volume to find out its density. We hope you have learned how to find the volume of a regular and irregular shaped object and found this video interesting. Thank you.